Hola, bienvenidos, bienvenidas, todos, todas, anybody who's out there listening, watching me right now. Anyways, this originally was supposed to be an update video on my Spanish journey for this week. However, I wound up getting sick and losing my voice and having to go, after about 2.5 days, finally decided to go to the doctor and was diagnosed with laryngitis, and they gave me a steroid shot and also gave me some antibiotic pills because I had a upper respiratory infection. So for those of you that happen to be following me as I begin this new Spanish journey, I didn't get a lot done in the way of learning Spanish. However, one of the things I am doing is I have this book. It is not lined. It was actually a drawing book, I believe. But what I've been doing is I've been writing only Spanish phrases, whether I'm working out of a book or I hear something or read something and it strikes my fancy. I will write it in here, I will review it, and then I'll also read it out loud. When I'm working from a book, I will read the sentence that I am learning or studying at the moment. I will copy it down, read it out loud as I'm writing it, and then I will also read it again before I move to the next one. Having said that, and I know I'm going to slaughter these next 3 words, since I was diagnosed with laryngitis, I decided to look it up and wrote it down in this book. And I know I'm going to slaughter it, but here goes. In Spanish, laryngitis is laringitis. Laringitis. Go ahead and slaughter me in the comments. It's okay. And because of my laryngitis and my chest infection, I was given antibiotic pills. And antibiotic pills in Spanish are pastillas antibióticas. Since those are written in my book, I hopefully will remember them forever. And as part of my review, I don't read everything I've written in this book. I only go back so far, because obviously as it gets more and more full, I will have less and less time to review everything that's in here. So my goal is once I fill up several pages, is to only go back and review the last 2 or 3, 4, depends on how tight I write. This first page, my sentences were pretty close together, and because of me being sick or whatever, these, and there weren't as many, are a little bit farther spaced apart. But I'm sorry, I got lost just reading some of the phrases I wrote down. So whenever I watch something, whether it's on YouTube or otherwise, or I read something or I hear something, if I find it intriguing, I will put it in my little book here. And those are the things that I hope to share with you in the coming days. So, tenga un buen día. Y que te vaya bien. I will catch you guys in the next video.